how to stop sharing from Instagram to Facebook. Now, let's say your Instagram and Facebook account are linked to one another and it is combined or synced when it comes to your contents, so that whatever you upload on Instagram will be uploaded to Facebook and vice versa. Now, in order for you to stop sharing your contents from Instagram to Facebook, all you have to do is to tap on your profile icon on the lower corner. Click on these three lines on the upper corner. Now, once you're here, you just have to tap on Account Center and click on Sharing Across Profiles right here. If you click on that, you'll be able to see your Instagram account, so you just have to tap on that. Now, this is your Instagram and this is your Facebook. Now, in order for you to stop sharing your Instagram account or Instagram contents to Facebook, all you have to do is to toggle this off. And now the automatically sharing of your contents from Instagram to Facebook will vanish. So that's how to stop sharing from Instagram to Facebook. Hope we helped.